In this video we're gonna work on apply function, which is similar to loop, for loop, okay, but it's much easier. So let's see how it works. First, we could always, I'm gonna remind you, like you could change the directory through here. Second, you could write a script, a code. You don't have to type it every single time. So I've typed the code to read from a file. So select the file. This is the one we want. Okay, in the console, like I'm gonna bring that one here, or you could even close that one. Nope. Alright, so we have the stock data. You could see that one I left it on purpose. So I just wanted the system to see if it detects error. So we're gonna start apply x equal stock data. Okay, and margin is for the number of columns we're gonna work on. And I'm gonna remind you, we wrote the row names equal to 1 just to avoid that column completely, not to see it. So we're gonna work on those columns, and you have to do this just to avoid that line completely, as you do the header to avoid those lines completely. So margin is equal to 2 and fun is equal to mean. Okay, so we have here Control Z, cancel. So, and did this because I didn't close it properly, so we have the error as it shows here. All what you have to do is really simple. So you just need to do NA equal true. So this one, it remove the missing data, NA.rm equal true. Unfortunately, you have to memorize it this way. Okay, you have to memorize it this way. So let's consider to show the quantile of all of them. So if we come here, we say we're gonna remove the margin to work on all the column. So we're gonna say the function is quantile. Okay, and I'm gonna delete this. So proba is equal, show me like this point at 20% and at 80%. Okay, and if you want to put this one back just for the sake of the error, and okay, the margin is missing, we're gonna add the margin gonna select excuse me. So we selected the second, like 20% and 80%, the second and the fourth. If you want to plot this, okay, if you want to plot this equation, so all I have to do is function plot, okay, and type equal in quotation L. Okay, so you've got the plot. I'm gonna tile vertically. Let's make it a little bit smaller so you could see it. If you want to add labeled as title, so my first plot. Okay, if you want to add Y label to it, X label. Okay, so you could see it here, and alright, so this is the x-axis, and the y, it give an error, we'll fix it because y lab. Okay, so price, my first plot, x-axis. Okay, so let's do it here, day. So we've got days. Okay, and so this is the next video. We're gonna see the apply, and this one is really important because it teaches you how to apply a function to a subset of an array of variable. So check it, a playlist.